Welcome back. Now in this video we will be working right on the method for show image dialog. So we have the widget build in here. Let us go ahead and create it. So white, we will make this private, so in here underscore, then we say show image dialog, give the name right to this method, and curly braces, take this down. In here you will say show dialog. It's going to take the contacts and also the builder, as you guys can see right in here. Now we will remove that, braces in here, then we say contacts. Now the braces in here, take this down, and with this add the curly braces, and right in here put the semicolon. Now in there you will simply return the alert dialog, and right with the alert dialog, write it and put semicolon, and take this down from here. Now we will provide the title. In there let's have text widget. So we're about to show some text in here, so we will say please choose an option. The options are going to be right between the gallery one and also the camera one, so that's why in here we will show that text right in the title. So whenever the user will be click upon that camera icon, then it will show that text right in the show image dialog, as you guys can see. Okay, and we just return that alert dialog. Now let's move further. In here we will say content, and right in the content we will just have the column widget, curly braces in here, braces, take this down. Now we will provide the property matrix style. We will set this right to minimum. Now let's have the children in there. We will just have the equal widget in there. Now comma, edit end, and then it's going to take the on tap event, braces in here, then curly braces, take this down. So the first one is going to be simply for the camera one. Okay, first let me just provide in here the child, and then we say row widget. Right in the row widget is going to take the children, and then we say padding widget. We will do some padding as usual, and in here comma, take this down. So padding as insect, we will go with the as insect dot all. It's going to be simply for the all side, so it's going to be 4.0. and then we say child. Let's provide the icon. Now the icon is going to be simply, as I told you already, for the camera one, so dot camera. Now we will provide the color for that camera icon. It's going to be simply colors dot purple. Okay, as you guys can see right in here. Now we will just call upon the method that we just created for picking the image or capture with the camera, that one. Okay, get from camera. So in here let's have that get from camera, because it's going to be for the camera, as you guys can see right in here. Now just add the constant modifier, so the yellow line will be golden. There we go. And in here semicolon, right at end. In here also add the constant modifier. Okay, now I'll just simply just hot reload the app, and we will just check the result in the real time. It's loading. There we go. Let's go to the sign up. Now the first thing that I'll do, copy this from here and go down this on tap event. Okay, as you guys can see in there, just call upon that. Now again or to load the app. Go toward the sign up screen. Now if I click on this icon, it will simply show you the show image dialog, and we just call upon that right in here. Okay, now let us go ahead and check it. Click in here. There we go with the show image dialog. Okay, please choose an option. As you guys can see, that title, okay, the text in here, and there is the icon, and you guys can see that in here. Okay, now we will provide the text also with this icon. There is going to be that camera text. So for that, what I'll do, below this padding in here, let's have the text widget and write it and comma, take this down in here. You will say camera, and now press the Control S. It's just loading. You will just refresh that, click in here, and again click back on this icon. There we go with the camera text. Okay, as you guys can see right in here. Now we will provide the style. So right in the style, as usual, text style, colors, you will just set the color, and everything is just fine. Just press the Control S first, then click in here, refresh it, and click upon that back. There we go with the purple color for the camera text. Okay guys, as you guys can see, it's working totally fine. Now the next thing that we will do, you will simply create another inkwell widget, and it's going to be simply for the gallery one. This one is for camera. So for the time saving, what I'll do is copy that from here to here, and below this inkwell right in here, paste it again. Okay, that above one is for camera one, as you guys can see. Okay, and that one going to be simply for the gallery one. We will just edit that. So gallery text is going to be purple color, and the next thing that we will do, we will simply change this to get from gallery. Okay, as I told you already, the above one is for camera one and the below one is for gallery. Okay, we just changed that while ago. Now press the Control S, reload it. Okay, Control S. Now click in here, and there we go with the gallery one. Okay guys, camera and gallery one. Also we will change the icon for the gallery one. Okay, so where is the icon? There we go. Let's change this to you can go whatever you want in here. I'll go with the image one. Okay, there's the gallery option. Now press the Control S, reload it, and click in here. There we go with the icon, it's gallery one. Okay, and also we just call upon that method right in here. Okay, and also for the gallery one. So for now, if I click on this camera, it will simply take you towards the camera, and if I click on this gallery, it will simply take you towards the gallery one. Okay, first we will test the camera one. So click upon that in here, right on the camera. There we go. Okay, as you guys can see, it's working totally fine, and you guys can see that. Allow, next, and boom, there we go with the camera. It's working totally fine. And guys, this is the emulator. Okay, you can also test it with your real phones. Okay, and it's gonna be working totally fine. Now let's go ahead and capture the image. There we go. Now right in here, click upon that, and it will take you right towards the cropping section. Okay, click in here, and there we go. You can simply from here crop the image. Okay, as you guys can see, or you can go with the original one. I'll go with this one. So that is fine in here. click upon that tick, and there we go, boom, it's working totally fine. Okay guys, now I'll just reload the app and we will test it with the gallery one. So we will see the working with the gallery. Go to the sign up screen, click in here, click upon the gallery. So now we are in the gallery and we captured the image before from the camera. Now I'll go towards the download and I'll choose this image. You can crop it whatever you want right in here. Click upon that and boom, there we go. You guys can see that it's working totally fine with the camera one and also with the gallery one. Okay guys, now we will test it with the real phone, so that you guys know it's also working with the phone, with the real phone. Okay, so what I'll do from here, I'll just close that. Okay, close it from here and we will come in here. I'll go with the real phone. Where's my real phone? I just connected before. Okay, there we go. There we go with my phone. That's the real one. Okay guys, now what I'll do, I'll just simply install the app from here. Click upon that. It's going to take some time. Just wait for a while. It's going to take some time. Just be patient with it. It's running the app. There we go, it's working totally fine on the real phone and you guys can see the result right in here. Now we will go towards the sign up and as you guys can see, okay, click in here. First we will check it with the camera one. So that's the real camera of my phone. As you guys can see my hand right in here. Okay, there we go, it's working totally fine. Just simply capture the image from here. I'll take a picture of my hand and then in here click upon that. There we go. With the cropping system you can crop whatever you want right in here. Okay, I'll go with the original one, click in here. There we go. Okay, it's working totally fine. Okay, now we will just reload the app again and this time we will check it with a gallery. Sign up screen, click in here, go towards the gallery. As you guys can see, it's working totally fine. I'll just choose that image from here and boom, there we go. Okay, cropping system, and it's working totally fine and you guys can see the result right in here. It's working totally fine with the real phone and also we check it with the emulator. So now you guys know it's working in both ways, with the real phone and also with the emulator. From here you can go back like that, and basically that's it for this video, and this video is getting a little lengthy. I'm about to end this video right in here, but before that we will just close that real phone. Okay guys, it's working totally fine with the real phone and also with the emulator. So right from the next video we will be testing the app with the emulator. Okay guys, and if you guys want to check it or test it with the real phone, you can go whatever you want. It will just work fine in both ways, as I told you already so many times. Also with the real phones and also with the emulator, it's working totally fine, and I have already tested that before in front of you guys. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.